Forget about your coffees, your sodas, your jasmine teas, your oolong teas. Everyone, start packing some butter tea in your cabinets.
Hello everybody, this is Queenie from Sichuan International Communication Center. Today, as you can see, I'm wearing a very special coat. And yes, I'm at Shangri-La, a very beautiful paradise in Sichuan province, China. And this place is also called Daocheng. And I'm very honored to have two guests with me today. And this is Daocheng.
大家好，我是𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐷，是咱们稻城县的主播。
And this is Noah.
Hello everyone, glad to be here today.
In front of us is a very black pottery. So Noah, can you guess what's inside?
Guess what's inside?
You can touch it first.
Touch it first. Oh wow, yeah, it's like, it looks like coal or like asphalt, like on the street. But then it's shiny and it feels like more expensive than just regular coal or something. And the designs are really nice. I'm gonna guess it's a magic potion.
当然不是，这个是咱们藏族人民非常喜欢喝的一种茶，叫酥油茶。那么盛这个酥油茶的这个小壶呢，就是咱们稻城县4绝之一，也是非物质文化遗产阿西土陶。那么这个土陶是用一种非常特殊的泥土，通过敲、锤、捏等方式制作而成的。那么为了美观呢，咱们会在上面点缀一些碎瓷，作为一个美观的装饰。那么诺瓦可以试一试咱们酥油茶的味道到底如何？酥油茶是通过酥油、奶茶以及一些盐等制作而成。
How do you feel?
Wow, yeah, it both smells and tastes just incredibly sweet, incredibly light. It's like a milk tea, but I feel like milk tea is a little bit just heavy. It's just really yummy, yeah. How do you say delicious? Delicious.
我们这个的话，酥油茶叫𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐷，就是茶很好喝的那个意思。你可以试着读一下。𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐷。对。
It means this tea tastes delicious.
𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐷.
Nice.
Cool.
Nice.
That sounds pretty cool too.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Thank you for inviting me.
Okay, thank you to guys and 谢谢. So if you guys want to see more like specialities that we have and want to do more unbox experiences, please follow us. Thank you.